Today, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your WhatsApp business account. If you've decided to move on from your business account, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, let's open the WhatsApp business on your device. Now we need to access the settings. Now let's go to account settings. In the settings menu, tap on account. Here's where you can delete your account. Scroll down and tap on delete my account. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number in the full international format. Once you've entered your number, tap on delete my account. You'll receive a confirmation message about the deletion. Read the warning carefully. Deleting your account will erase all your message history and remove you from all groups and delete your business profile. If you're sure, confirm the deletion, and that's it. Your WhatsApp business account has been permanently deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.